If you've ever wondered how to make the perfect coffee concoction from the comfort of home, look no further. Coffee lovers can rejoice with baristas spilling the tea on how to step up your coffee game.
Brewing up the perfect cup can be quite the challenge.
We do have a coffee maker at home, but we prefer to buy it out.
I do make it at home in the morning, but nothing beats just coming out and getting a coffee.
Coffee culture on the coast is booming.
Our online sales have definitely ticked up a lot in the last 2 years, massively from people brewing at home.
And baristas are spilling the beans on how they brew it.
Always use filtered water, never use tap water. Tap water contains too many harsh minerals that affect the flavour, and it will also affect your equipment.
The most difficult task, steaming the milk.
Try and introduce a little bit of air that creates foam, but not too much that you get massive amounts of bubbles. Usually the rule of thumb is don't heat milk over 60 degrees, because once you start doing that, you start to lose a lot of the sweetness.
Once you've reached expert level, the final step is to work on your latte art. The most important thing, though, is that it's made with love.
It should be about enjoying the process, enjoying the flavour, and just getting the most out of your coffee experience.
If you don't have a machine, the focus should be on bean quality.
Always buy fresh coffee from your local roaster. Don't buy coffee from the supermarket. Always store your coffee in the freezer.
It's better latte than never to learn the tricks of the trade.
I've actually looked at doing a bit of a course.
You can sign up to a coffee cupping masterclass at Elk Espresso tomorrow.
This is an experience not to miss if you enjoy a good cup.